Hey, how you going? So in today's video, I'm going to run you guys through the permanent, semi-permanent noise monitoring station from Svantek, SV307. Basically, the brief is to have a sound level meter all built into one tubular housing like our old SV200s. Basically, everything is inside here, and all you will need is some cabling to go to a solar panel and a mains. I'm going to run you through what you get in the box when you purchase it, and then also how to do some basic setups. So, this carry case is great for transportation and sending it interstate and overseas. What we get in the case is from Svantek, the factory certificate, the software, and also the warranty card. Now, when you purchase instruments from us at Acu-Vib, we will supply NATA certificates with the sale as well. So that'll be good for Australian standards. Now, in the box itself, what we have is a download cable to a LEMO, connects this SV307 to a PC. We have a weatherproof power supply. So as mentioned, two options for power, solar and mains. We have an adapter for a solar panel. So let us know at the beginning of the potential sale if you're going ahead. As I said, it's weatherproof, so you can put it outside and that's not a problem. We have a microphone case. The microphone will be on the instrument when you get it because that's how we calibrate it. There's a spot here for an acoustic calibrator. Before and after measurements, periodically you should be doing a check. And then also our 307 itself with the windsock, the bird spikes, and the protection for transport. Okay, so once you've unboxed your SV307, what we're gonna have is basically the whole instrument in one housing like so. We have a all-weather windsock on the top here and bird spikes for protection of the windsock. I'm just gonna show you how the microphone looks because this is if you're gonna be running an acoustic calibration in the field. What you're gonna have to do is just unscrew this microphone protection. And that leaves us with a MEMS microphone on top. So patented MEMS microphone. Have a look at the data sheet if you guys want some information on the solution that we're using now. But what I'm going to do now is unscrew this screw here. And we just rotate anti-clockwise. And that will pop open the instrument itself. So we can lie that down here. And that leaves us with the environmental housing on the outside. No, the housing on the outside has an M14 stud. And it also has a safety net here for the charging cable, so either mains or a solar panel. And what I'm going to do is just show you how that works. So basically what we have here is a 4-pin LEMO to charge the instrument. And what we can do, we can just pop this little safety gauze out, slide it through the base, and that'll protect it from weather. Basically what that leaves us is the base of the instrument itself. So we have two LEMO connectors here. One is for power and one is for a multi-IO port. So one can be for an alarm beacon or a weather station. Also we have an antenna. Underneath this black cap we have the SIM card and the exchangeable SD card as well. So to power the instrument, either using mains or solar, you just pop it into the charging DC port. Just like so, that'll slide back in the tube and do it up nice and tightly. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to switch on the instrument. Like Svan instruments, it's shift and start to turn the instrument on. Okay, so once you've powered the SV307, you've inserted your SIM card at the base of the instrument. You're going to see a blue light pop up here on the radar bars, which means that the instrument is connected to the SIM card. Now, I'm just going to show you quickly how this setup is used for your SIM card. All of these, the 307 is basically like all of our other Svan instruments, the same navigational menu, so you guys should know about that. Play around with it, let us know if you've got any troubles, but they've pretty much worked the same as all the others. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you some setups which will be very crucial for you guys. So if you press enter under instrument, you go down to wireless transfer. This is where we're setting up the modem and the SIM card. So like all previous Svan setups with modems that we do, we use a Telstra SIM card and our APN is Telstra.WAP. So this is where you need to enter the APN of your SIM card. Scroll down and press OK. This is the main settings you guys will need to use to connect this instrument to the modem. So as you can see, red radar bars, we need to get those to blue. It's going to take a couple of moments. While I'm in this setting here, we have something else that's pretty crucial is the RTC real-time clock. So this is where you can change the time on the instrument and the date. All of the settings on this we can do remotely through the SvanNet servers. So basically if you're time constrained, you can go out to site, set the unit up, we can start measurements, stop measurements, set multiple station alarms and change the settings of the instrument as well. So those are the two main sort of parameters that you guys will need to use just to get the instrument running. As I said, there's a GPS feature now as well, which is great. That's incorporated into the data at the end. And then that pretty much covers it. If you have any questions in regard to the setup of the instrument itself, then let us know.